This is the right way to be in the red light, hold your clutch, stay in first gear, and be on your brake, right? Slowly squeeze the throttle and let go of the clutch, right? Go into second. We're lucky there's no traffic right now, right? But slowly, right? Squeeze it in, let go of the throttle, and then you go up on your next gear. So we're in third gear, right? Going forward. See? Smooth, right? Clutch it in, let go of the throttle, and you pop that fourth gear. You want to stay on the right lane, on the right side of the lane. This one has cruise control, right? So, you know, it's set it up for cruise control, right? So, over here, right? Alright, and always have at least 3 or 2 fingers on the brake, just in case you gotta activate it. So there's an emergency right ahead, right? Just enjoy the ride. Coming up on the red light, start shifting down. Rev it. There you go. Rev it again. Shift down. Turn right here. Get the blinker. Never hit the brake on curves, right? Turn left. Turn left. Rev it, rev it. Alright, here we go. Beautiful morning, right? Coming up to a stop sign. Third gear, we're gonna start shifting down and revving down. Go again. Third gear. Hold your clutch. Hold your brake.